Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can see, well, not my hair, but as you can see I'm wearing glasses, which you can see they reflex from outside. Please ignore that. Yes, they are real glasses. They're not just for fashion. I did get them in this style for fashion because I really like them, but I use these for driving. Now, this look is going to be based on, makeup. It's going to be a makeup look for people who wear glasses, or if you're one of those people who like to wear glasses that are not real, you can do it as well, because I mean fashion today is, well, anything you want it to be. And for me, I like to wear them even though they're for long distance, and for driving I will still wear them out because, well, I like them. So without further ado, we are going to get on with this video. So we're gonna start with the base. So we're gonna, okay, so skin, I've moisturized, and that's literally all I have on. I need to like wax. I need to do like a face mask. I'm not saying my skin is bad, because it's not. As you can tell, I don't really have, please ignore that. Alright, I'm gonna mix two foundations today. I haven't done this combination, so we're going to give it a go. I'm going to use the Born This Way. As you can tell, it is not my colour, and that's in the colour Natural Beige. Who the hell is beige? I'm not beige, I'm olive, but they call it Natural Beige. And I'm going to use the Sephora Brightning and Hydrating foundation, and just put that like that. I'm also slightly fake tan, so that's why I'm using a darker shade. And I just realized I didn't use a primer. Whatever. And because I want my skin slightly illuminating, I'm going to use the NARS Strobe Cream in Goldlite. And just with a foundation brush, this is the Complexion Perfection Brush 17S by Napoleon Purtis. I feel like I didn't put enough on my face. I need a mirror, I need a mirror, I need a mirror. Uh, 102 Silk Finish brush. I'm going to use the Instant Age Rewind by Maybeline. I love this stuff. You just can't go wrong. 110 Face Shape brush by Zoeva. The Chanel Soliel Tan de Chanel. I'm just going to use this Tarte brush. Okay, I'm just using a pressed powder, translucent, and just with like a big fluffy brush. This is the Luxe Face Definer. Just got hair by Zoeva. Now onto the brows. I hate my brows. I need to get them feathered. So I'm just going to do those off camera. If you want a separate video, I can do that for you guys. But for the time being, just to quicken this up, I'm going to do it off camera. We're back. Brows are on. I'm the type of person who likes to finish the face first before I get onto the eyes, just because it worked better with the base, you know? Like, I like to see how everything's gonna kind of blend in. So if you hear coughing, that's my sick son. It is what it is, right? Just gonna use the Marc Jacobs 104 Tan-Tastic bronzer. I find that when wearing glasses, although you don't have a lot of eyeshadow on, having a good base like foundation, bronzer, having that perfected kind of brings the glasses, I don't know, it just kind of works well. For me it does. Just with the same bronzer. Do my nose. Nothing. That's as good as it's gonna get. I use a matte brush called Whole Lotta Love. This is very pink. So I recommend being quite, I tapped that once, quite light-handed with it. Like, and if you think you've put too much, just grab, it's shedding like hell, just to blend it out. For the eyes, because you're wearing glasses, usually I don't think you need to, you know, overdo it. So I'm gonna use the same bronzer, the Marc Jacobs one. I haven't put a base on, and I'm not feeling to put a base because this is gonna be a quick look. So in just the crease, I also like to bring this color all over the lid. If you heard that, that's Emilio pooping. Yeah. Hey, we're all human, right? And then with a smaller brush or a pencil brush, just run it under the eyes. I'm going to use the Kat Von D eye palette, which is basics. Like, if you want a basics palette, this is it. The lighter brown just on this side. I'm just gonna blend that in with the bronzer that I've added, just to darken it up just a little bit. There we go. Damn, that smells. Brush, make sure there's like nothing on it, just like blend the edges, because it's still gonna be like a, man, these brushes are shedding like hell. I'm trying to hold this palette. Just that reddy brown color. I'm gonna go just add a little, you know, sparkle. The Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I use the color Luscious. Oh, that one there. And see, it just changes up your eye just a little bit, so I'm going to set our face. I'm going to use the Life Proof bug makeup setting spray. I lied, it wasn't a bug. It was fluff. So, it's so refreshing. So we're just going to add some mascara. Highlighter. I'm going to use my Ofra Rodeo Drive. This is just a mini, which I have hit pan. Ooh. that glow, people. We're almost done, people. We're almost done. Hang in there, you know. Right, so lastly, we're gonna do the lips. Now, with a Jordana lip liner in Cabernet, which I have used, I think like 2 videos ago. But hey, I like the color. And then for lipstick, I'm going, oh, well that was the wrong color. I'm going to use an oldie but a goodie. It is it's MAC lipstick, Ruby Woo. Mess up. So I'm just going to grab a bit of concealer just to clean it up. And then you add your glasses. So that, people, is the look. And that's Amelia coughing. Hey, you know, if I want to make a video, I gotta have him in the room. You know, gotta be a good parent, a good mum. I do have eyelash extensions, hence why I didn't put any mascara on the top. That's the lips. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. If you want to join the Vanessa fam, by all means, we can be friends, you and I, you know. Hey, I'm posting up weekly, why not? I'm trying to give you content, people, you know. Be my amiga or amigo, whatever suits you best. If you have any requests for videos, leave them in the down bar below. If you have any requests, leave it in the comments below. If you just want to say hi, hey, I will, you know, try to get to all your comments. Trying to now be like consistent, working on it, you know, giving you guys content. And a coughing baby. Yeah, he's sick. I can't do much. Just give him love and kisses, and you know that he's so sick. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.